Hi, I'm Katie, I'm from CoreMed, and we design bespoke medical bags. Bespoke, and we also stock our own standard bags as well, and this is one of them. This is our Paramedic Medicines Backpack. It equally could be a first responder AED backpack. It was designed in conjunction with Elite EMS, the team there. You can see right now I've got it on as a backpack, these lovely orange straps. You'll see the size of it. I'm 5'4", so you get a vague feeling of the size of it for myself. It's a really nice, comfortable bag to hold, actually. We have the cross strap here as well with this really white, clean seatbelt webbing, which is all adjustable. Obviously, the backpack straps are adjustable as well. When I take this off, if I don't want to carry it as a backpack and I want to get rid of these straps, you can unclip them nice and easily, and these will fold away in this discreet pocket down the back, which I will do now, so they don't snag on anything or just for storage. And instead, I can carry this bag in a number of different ways. So we have the handles at the top, nice big handles and really padded, comfortable. Or the handles on the side as well, which I can carry it. Or equally, if I want the shoulder strap, I can attach the shoulder strap onto these D-rings either side and carry it over the shoulder. Again, this is adjustable, so a bit long for me right now, but I can just adjust these and get it to the right length for me. So that's how we carry it. Now let's look at the outside of the bag. Beautiful bright orange, and this is a 500 denier tarpaulin, so it's really strong and durable. Made extra so by on the corners where we have these little rubber protection areas, and you'll see where the bag will naturally be put down on the ground. We also have these rubber feet for protection as well. The other thing you'll notice on the outside of the bag are these high-vis sort of flow strips going the whole way around. So it doesn't matter where the bag is, what angle, you can see it nice and easily if it's in the dark or dim light. The final thing to notice on the outside of the bag is we have the labelling system. So you can put maybe an identification card in here, or we can bespoke the bag and put your own logo on this bit. You'll see we also have in the bag a little pocket where you can put extra bits and pieces in if you want. And you'll see obviously we have the lumbar support for this bigger backpack on the back as well. So now let's open the bag because that's where it really goes on. These nice big zip pullers here, this is all gunmetal zips. They're tamper-proof, they're also waterproof zips. Really easy to open. All of our zips are tamper-proof and waterproof. And inside it is a bag of goodies. We have that many pouches inside. First of all, you'll notice that it's with a medical grade foil inside, so it makes it really easy to see the bag, see if anything needs cleaning. All of the pouches have a little label on it as well, and they're a clear lid, so you can clearly see what's inside, and they can just be pulled out by this little tab. Again, all of the pouches made of this tarpaulin or the clear top, they all have the same medical grade foil inside, these double zips as well, which are tamper-proof. And the labelling, they all have that. They're slightly different sizes depending upon what you're wanting to carry. And it has to be said, this has been designed specifically for Medicines Backpack, but some of our first responders say they really like this bag and they've tried it and they can fit their AED in it as well. So it could be a slightly larger AED backpack for you. You'll see in the middle of the bag, I also have this section here, these different pouches, again, clear lids, white clean tamper-proof zips, all held in place by this covered elastic. These are for your vials. 2 of them are for smaller vials. The other 2 will have vials going from a larger to a smaller size. This whole section, internal tray, can be removed if you want. You'll see we have extra pouches, these PVC pouches, so again white clean on the other side. And then we come to the other side of the bag. This is all protected through a secondary flap here where you can put in a piece of paper to explain exactly what's in there, maybe a list of the medications and the dates and so on. And again, we have different pouches in here which you can easily take out with these tabs. The same design as all the other ones, except this one. The same design in the sense that it is tarpaulin, white clean, the waterproof, tamper-proof zip. But on this one, when I open it up, we have extra surprise because inside we not only have one label, we have probably about 10, maybe even 12 labels there indicating what's going on inside. This is for your tablets. So your paracetamol, ibuprofen, all those different foiled tablets can be stored in separate areas. So that is the tablet pouch, which is actually available separately as well. But otherwise, all of these pouches here all come together in the same bag as a part of this product, the Medicines Backpack. You can order online, we can sell just one if you want. So there's no minimum orders, and remember, we can put the logo on it for you as well.